At the end of November 2022, I went up to Whangarei to revisit their somewhat unusual rail service, and on the way we made additional stops in Waihi and Auckland for reasons explained in this video. As you might have heard, DBRs 1199 and 1282 were recently moved from Steam Incorporated's Paikakariki depot to the Goldfields Railway, and upon arrival in Waihi I found them coupled back to back in the yard, with the open air coach sitting at the platform for some reason. The original DB class, from which the DBRs were rebuilt, were regular performers on the old East Coast main trunk, and a DBR 1199 visited Waihi in 1980 to drop off some old coaches for preservation. She retains the old Max Blue livery, which she received in 2003 before entering commuter service in Auckland. There she ran with classmate 1254 in a top and tail formation with some ex-Queensland rail coaches. And speaking of which, DBRs 1254 and 1295 are famously preserved at the Glenbrook Vintage Railway. These days, the Auckland suburban services are run exclusively by AM electric multiple units, which first entered service in 2014. And speaking of the AMs, we made an additional stop in Remuera because it was easy to reach from State Highway 1. Naturally, I've recorded a sizable amount of footage on the North Auckland line, but I've decided to save all that footage for its own dedicated video.